there, English explorers! Welcome back to English in Action. Today, we have a fun and useful episode for you. Are you ready to go shopping?
Wait, shopping like real shopping?
Oh, yes. You're going to the store with two friends, Jake and Emily. They need to buy some food, and you'll hear everything they say. Can you understand them?
Don't worry. We'll be here to help you understand every word, step by step. You'll learn how to ask questions, how to answer, and how to speak like a native.
So, if you want to learn real English, useful, simple, real-life English, then stay with us until the end. You're gonna love it.
And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes.
Ready to go shopping with Jake and Emily? Let's begin!
English in Action.
Okay, friends. Now listen to Jake and Emily. They are at home, and they're planning to go shopping.
Let's listen carefully and try to understand what they say.
Hey, Emily, do we have any milk?
No, I think we're out of milk.
Okay, we must buy milk today. And eggs. We don't have eggs, right?
Right, and we have to get some bread, too. No bread for breakfast tomorrow.
Good point. Also, should we buy some fruit?
Yeah, we should. Apples or bananas?
Bananas. They're cheaper.
All right, so milk, eggs, bread, bananas. Let's go.
Wait, should we take bags?
Yes, we should. You have to remember them this time.
Jake always forgets the bags.
But did you notice something interesting? They used must, have to, and should. We'll explain more soon.
But first, let's go with them to the store. Keep watching and repeat with us if you want to practice.
Wow, the store is so crowded today.
Yeah, and it's noisy, too. Okay, first, milk. Where's the milk section?
There! Let's get one big bottle.
Great. Now, eggs?
Right, but wait. Should we buy 6 eggs or 12?
I think we should buy 12. You eat eggs every morning.
True. Okay, 12 eggs. Now, bread.
Yes, but not the white bread. We should eat healthy, right?
You're right. Whole wheat bread, it is.
Looking at the list, bananas are next. Oh, they're on sale today. Perfect. Let's get 6. Also, do you want some cookies?
I shouldn't eat cookies, but I must have just 1 pack.
Okay, 1 pack only.
Oh no, I forgot the bags again.
Jake, you have to remember next time.
Emily? Where are you? Emily? I can't see you. She was here a minute ago. Emily?
Hey, I'm here.
Oh, there you are. I was looking for you everywhere.
I just went to get this watermelon. Look!
It's huge. All right, are we done?
Yes, let's go pay.
Let's put everything on the counter.
Okay, I'll take out my card.
Do you have it?
Wait, yes, got it.
That's $20, please.
No problem, I'll tap.
You must pay fast. People are waiting.
I don't have to enter the code. It's contactless.
Poor Jake. No bags again.
But that was a great example. Let's look at how they used must, have to, and should. Quick review. Must for strong necessity. I must buy milk. Have to for rules or needs. You have to remember the bags. Should for advice or suggestions. We should eat healthy.
See? They used all three in real life.
And you can too. Practice like this and you will speak English like a native, step by step.
Let's finish with a challenge. Can you make 3 sentences using must, have to, and should?
Write your answers in the comments. We'll read them and maybe even feature you in the next video. So, today was fun, right? You learned must, have to, and should with a real story.
Yeah. And remember how Speaker 2 said, you should eat healthy. Or how Speaker 1 said, I must have cookies.
We all love cookies. But the best part? You didn't just learn grammar. You saw it in real-life English.
Now, it's your turn. Make 3 sentences, 1 with must, 1 with have to, and 1 with should. Write them in the comments.
Don't be shy. We read your comments, and we love your ideas.
And hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up
And hit that subscribe button.
so you don't miss the next English adventure with us.
Speak English every day, just like this.
And remember, you can speak English, one step at a time.
Bye for now. See you next time.